na talagang kawawang ating mga Filipino travelers.
Sir, visible po ba yung suggestion ni Senator Escudero na i-reimburse?
Maganda yun.
Yeah, yung 32,000?
Yes, I support that. I support the position of Senator Chis Escudero where kung may i-offload man ang Bureau of Immigration, charge to their account. Meron kasi sila mga fees na kinokolekta at million-million yan. That's up to hundreds of millions in the Bureau of Immigration funding. So, they'll be more careful who to offload. Kasi, siyempre, sila babayad nun pag nag-offload sila. Meron din silang kailangan ibigay na ayuda sa mga na-offload. Kasi isipin mo, pamilya kayo, 5 kayo, husband and wife, 3 anak. Pupunta kayong Hong Kong, i-offload mo sila. Magkano nang ginastos ng pamilya doon? It's not fair. It is not fair. And ganun na lang, ipa-offload mo